Alright, you see we got the, whoa, what was that? See, we got the little forward here, we got the auger on the back. We did go ahead and mark some spots on the ground here. These are where our holes are going to be. We still got the string running up here. So we'll get this string out of the way. And we're going to make some holes this morning, so here we go. Alright, last one. Yeah, they all should have went that easy. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, you two, here we go. Here's what we did. Put these cylinders down in. Put some stone down in there. Get that one done. There's that going here. Same thing. I got a bucket there. I'm going to put a bucket over top of these. That down there, that's got stone in it. That's ready to go. Our third one up here. Look at that. We got that one cemented in today. So yeah, awesome. Looking good. But these are sticking up quite a ways out of the ground. That's because we got fill. Lots of fill to put back in here. I dug it all out and I got to put it all back in. So, but we'll fill it in. You guys come back next time. We'll have these cemented in. We'll start leveling this spot off. I'm getting her all graded out and stoned in, and we'll be looking a little closer to getting that sawmill. So we'll catch you guys then. Thanks. Bye. Alright, well, that first part ran a little short, so I'm going to add on to this video, I guess. We're going to pour them next two holes, and I'll show you what happens with that. So let's keep watching. Thanks. I think my wheelbarrow is just about on its last leg. Can you see that? They're all holes. So hopefully we'll get enough use out of to finish this job. So here we go. Alright, so here's what we're using for concrete mix. It's just a generic brand I bought from the big box store. 60-pound bags. So let's get it mixed up and dump it in the hole. Alright. That big old rock in there. Alright, that's not looking too bad. Let's put it in a hole. Here's the towel. There you go. How's that look to you? Alright, we got them both poured. Now we need to take and put these anchors in. These are roughly 6 inches, I guess. Got a little cooking on the end. Nut on them there. Take that nut off, I guess. One-handed. I'm going to take these anchors. I'm just going to eyeball it. We ain't building rocket ships here, guys. Stick that down in there. Till the threads are down all the way, reasonably straight. Touch the top so you can get cement on it, so the nut won't thread on. There we go, just like that. I'll do the other one and put that nut right there where I can lose it. Here's the other one. Down here. Right there. This one's a little wetter. That's going to go down in much easier. All the way down into the threads. Ooh. That's way off center. Yeah. Pretty close. So that'll be for our anchors for our post to sit on. I'll show you what we got here going on. This one up here is all dry. I took and got this one. We'll set that plate on there just like that. Yeah, we'll set that plate on there just like that. Somewhat square. Throw the nut. We'll put a washer under there too. We'll put that nut down on there. Then we'll just cut the bolt off and notch the post, or put a hole in the post so it sits down over the top of that. Our post will sit on top of there and be protected a little bit from the dirt, because we're not bringing the dirt up to top here, I guess. But yeah, look at this hole. I ended up clear over there to clear over here to get this hole in, because that little obstacle right there ended up being about a 4-hour job. So that was quite the feat, but we got it in. So there you go. That's where we're at, I guess. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap it up for video number 2 of our sawmill shed build. You guys come back next time and we'll get this dirt leveled out here. Maybe get a little rock spread here. I sure do appreciate you guys watching. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to hit that like button. Click subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, thanks.